Hi guys, once welcome. In this session I will show you how to calculate employee net salary with adding income tax details. Here press F11. Maintain payroll also yes. Next option, more than one payroll / cost category, set the option also yes. Just save that. Yeah, one more option we need to enable. Again in go to statutory and taxation F3. The F1 accounting features also we already enabled. A maintain payroll also yes, and more than cost category. The one more is else. Yes, F3 statutory and taxations, and here F11 F3, and here enable payroll statutory yes, and the one more option set and alter payroll statutory details, set that also yes, and here choose the director type is others. Just accept this. Yeah, the first step is payroll information. First here we need to give the attendance. We need to create the attendance type. Here the P for present. Here I am giving the present method. Here choose attendance / leave with pay. Just accept. Once press escape to get back, and here first create employee categories, and here I am creating is high level employee categories. Here we can see in problem is as who is getting more than 1 lakh, who is up to 15,000, 50,000 to 1 lakh, below 50,000, like that the employee category will avail in all companies. So here I'm just creating 3 levels, is high level and middle level and the low level. Here I just created 3 categories, 3 employee categories. Here I'm just go to press escape and then employee groups. Here I'm giving high level employee categories. Here I'm giving finance department. Once press escape, next come here pay heads. Here we need to create our pay heads, the main earnings and reduction of our employees. Here I am creating the first one is basic salary. Is earning for employees, and it will be as variable or fixed. It will be as variable because it is dependent on attendance and indirect expenses. Yes, no. Here choose calculation type on attendance. The basic that is dependent for the employee is how many days is absented and presented. So here choose on attendance. Next the method is month as per calendar period. So just accept. Next here we will create the next ledger. Next head of our employee is HRA, house rent allowance. It is fixed when he is joining in our company, okay, on the basis of his designation, that is fixed for the specified employee. As computed value not applicable, choose as specified method and choose here it is dependent on basic salary. Here choose percentage. In case it is not dependent on percentage means choose. The next pay head is conveyance allowances. It is also one of the earning for employees. Next variable index expenses, and here it is as user defined value. Okay, it is not complete, it is not dependent on attendance, it is dependent on user defined value. The accountant only know how much is taking for petrol or traveling, okay, like that expenses. So user defined value. Next pay head is the DA. It is also earning for employees. It is fixed indirect expenses as compared value not applicable, specify formula, basic salary, and here choose percentage 1.4% on basic salary. Just accept. Next pay head is PF. Here choose employee statutory deductions, and here okay, it is employee statutory deduction, it is one of the deduction, and here choose PF account number 1. And here choose current liability for company, not applicable. Here choose and specify formula on base PF should be deduct 12% on basic salary. Here choose basic salary is 12%, accept. Next, ESI is earning for employees, sorry, it is also one of the deductions, and choose employee state insurance, current liabilities, it is specific formula, it is also on basic salary 4%. Just accept. Next one is income tax on salary. Here choose employee statutory deductions, again choose income tax. And here choose duties and taxes. Here calculation type is by default selected by Tally as per income tax slab. Tally, we need to enable the Tally updation because as per government change, Tally will also update it. Next, create employees. Here I am creating one of the employee in higher level. His name is Mr. Ashok. Here I am giving the one other name is Raghuvaran, Mr. Raghuvaran. He is working in finance department. Here in earlier version of Tally version, the feature is not available. So about who is using 3.6, who is using the earlier version of 4.93, so that is not available in the newer. After onward 4.9 ERP Tally ERP 9 4 onwards only it is available. Here also you can define the salary details. In case if you not want to define here, we can go to salary details. Here we can choose our employee, then the same here it will displayed. Here also we can give the two ways is there to enter the salary details for employees. Okay, in employee creation and separate as usual salary details. So here I am just giving here salary details from effective from 1st April. The basic salary is 1,30,000 per month. Next, we just drag the all pay heads to down. Just here I am also creating by pressing Alt C. The one more is salary payable. Here press Alt C, then we can create the more pay heads if required for any employees. Just press Alt C, then it will open in pay head creation. Here I am creating salary payable not applicable. Here I am creating one more ledger is salary advance. Any salary is taken by the any employee, that time we need to create this ledger also. Salary advance taken by the loaner, it comes under loans and advances. Okay, and as user defined value, so user only can know how much is taking as salary advance, right? I just added the all things. The main thing here, income tax on salaries. Here in case he is resigned, is resigned his job, that time here we need to enter the date of resigned. So now here in this time he is not resigned, so keep this as empty. Next, give the information of general information about the employee. The main thing is provide bank details and statutory details. Here I am just giving some information about his deputy manager, his maintenance he will do as maintenance of our company. The main thing is date of birth. Okay, in employee creation the main thing is date of joining and then date of birth. Tally will count the date of birth from according to the government is also passed some rules for who is having who is getting more than 2 lakhs 50,000 for annum is below 60,000 is separate rules, and above 60 to 80 also separate percentage is available. So the compulsory we need to give a specified date of birth for the employee. Here provide the bank details. Here in case we are paying our salaries by bank, that time compulsory we need to give the Mr. Raghuvaran bank details. Is IFSC code, Indian Financial System code for online transaction is MICR code. It will be in numbers. Then the bank name. Here by mistake I given account number replacing with. Here I'm just copying this by pressing Control Alt V, Control Alt C. Here I'm just pasting Control Alt C. Here I'm pasting Control Alt V. The same will be copied in bank name column. Here I'm just giving some account number. Just accept. The branch where the branch is located for SBI for the Mr. Raghuvaran. Here the nickname which is given in the bank. Just accept the details. Next the main thing here, statutory details, income tax or PAN number. Here I'm not giving any PAN number for the employee. Okay, just mind this, I'm not giving any PAN number for employee. Just accept this. Now here I will show you, and here also you can see they say salary details. The same will be dragged to here. Let's go to display. Here the same whatever I'm given in employee creation, that also same dragged. Here also we can give. We can also choose the different. Here also we can choose. And see next, income tax details. Once go to here tax configuration, see here nothing is configured still now. Here we need to configure our pay heads. Okay, and the correct way is go to here income tax details and choose the first one, pay head configuration. See here basic salary, enter and choose from the list. The first one is basic salary, projected value, accept. Next choose your CA is conveyance allowances. Next here DA is the dearness allowance. Choose from the list as projected value. Next is HRA is choose from the list house rent allowance. Next PF, it is already selected by Tally because we already chosen PF account number 1. That first step is finished. Next come to here payroll vouchers. Here first we need to enter the attendance of our employee. So here press Ctrl F5 or click on attendance. Here choose we are following the present method. Enter the presented days. Here I am giving a full present for Mr. Raghuvaran is 30 days. Just accept this. Before the no you can just accept this. Okay, just come back the total. One we will check the income tax slab, how much is calculated. To check that, go to display, payroll reports, then statutory reports, and here we can see it is not adding income tax. Here it is not deducting any income tax on salaries. Okay, See, it is not deducting any income tax. Here go to payroll reports. Here choose the last one, income tax computation. Once press enter here. See here the PAN number is not available. It is showing, and here in total income tax for year is getting 1,30,000 per annum. So and for the year that will multiply with 12, and then tally will count the total income tax is the payable is 4 lakhs is on per annum. Now here I'm giving the salaries to employee. I'm just calculating. Okay, and here press Alt A for autofill. Press here Alt A. Payroll autofill. Here press Alt A. Okay, in payroll voucher Alt A. Choose here first salary, process for salary. Here choose declared value. Actually here we need to enter 30th 4, okay, as the date, but here I am using the educational mode, so here I am entering is 1st of May and choose cash payable, salary payable. See, it is now it is deducting income tax on salaries 39,173 per month. The 4 lakhs divided by 12 months. Now it will deduct the monthly deduction. Okay, now in the second time. Okay, next in second time of Alt A number 2, process for choose user defined, the same, just accept, and next CA is taking as 4,500 per month, and next here as salary advance is 10,000. I just entered the some normal value, just accept. Once go to the check the same way, go to display, then payroll reports, then statement of payroll. Why will first I will show you the statement of here. So see, now it is income tax and salaries is deducted from the employee. See, once go to payroll reports, display payroll reports, statutory reports, here income tax, choose computation, and see here now it is deducting. Now here it is deducted 39,173 from the employee on 1st of month. Okay, in next 11 months we need to deduct 3,52,234 from the employee. Okay, from next 11 months. See here PAN number is not available. We were not entered any PAN number for employee. Next here to enter PAN number is go to payroll information, the employees alter valid created Mr. Raghavan. Here it is showing this empty. Here we can fill up the PAN number. The series is, I'm just giving the series is 5 alphabets, 4 numerics, again 1 alphabet. Just save that. Now the income tax details will be some, it quit changed, some income tax computation, Mr. Raghuvaran. Yeah, now it is came is PAN number triple A. Okay, 5AA44. Okay. Here we can see, here we need to give this printout to our employee. Okay, just open the report and press Alt P. Now that will be printed. Okay, in the report the author will be signed here. Then we need to give to our employee. For more videos, subscribe now. Thank you.